We are just now leaving Karsha, that is Padum, and there's the monastery, and we will be, don't know, no plans for today. Either we'll stay at Rangdum or we'll stay near Penzilla, or we might drive straight to Kargil. So that's what the plan is. We'll talk when we'll be on road. And Narinder, I don't know, how can he wear a jacket? It's very hot over here and too much sunny. So yeah, we'll start our day. Let's talk in some time on the way.
Yep.
So now we are on the way to Rangdum Glacier, and let's see how fast we can reach. Today most probably we are planning to stay at Rangdum, and tomorrow we'll move ahead towards Kargil, because if we go today, then it would be pretty late. You know. So that's why we are planning to go to Kargil tomorrow. So yeah, let's see where to take a night halt today and how to do it. So we have stopped here on the road, and there's a dhaba where we're having some coffee and some Maggi. So the road is pretty nice till now, and we have planned to stay at Rangdum tonight. So this is the road, straight road, nice view. Here is our vehicle. Okay, so we have our coffee here. Let's sip the coffee. There's a nice small creek running to the dhaba. Here is our coffee. Okay, this is good. मुझे नहीं चाहिए चीनी, इसको चाहिए होगा। आप इसको रख दोगे थोड़ा, वो वॉशरूम गया हुआ है उसके बाद। वो टॉयलेट गया ना, थोड़ा गर्म कर देना। हाँ, इसका अंदर कर दो थोड़ा अभी। ऐसा कर दो बस। हाँ। Okay, so I guess the next stop would be Rangdum Glacier, and we'll be taking some nice shots, nice photographs, I hope, if it's not that windy, and we'll stay some time over there and then move ahead. So meet you at Rangdum, the next stop. Thanks, catch you. So we have now reached Rangdum Glacier, and I am vlogging from inside. I'll go out That's because it's very windy outside, and you can see from here Drangdrung. So most probably I won't speak when I go out because it's very windy, so a lot of noise, wind noise. So yeah, I'll show you all 360 degree over here. So now we are at Penzila Pass. This is the pass. The boat anymore over here, so unfortunately can't show the board of Penzila Pass. 14,000 feet plus height. Let me check my watch. It's 14,120. Okay, so there is the Twin Lake, Staso, and I forgot the name for the other lake. Let's see if we can camp today at Staso. If the roads are, if the passage to get down at Staso is good, then we will most probably do a camping at Staso. Let's see. So unfortunately we are not staying in Rangdum because there is no availability of homestay or anything else. People are not there. Most of them has gone for a marriage as per few of the villages over there. So less people. So we are now in front of Nunkun viewpoint. Just in front of the Nunkun peaks. The road is not built yet, it's under construction. So we were on very good roads, but now we are in under construction road. This is the viewpoint. So we'll be next stopping at Parkachi Glacier. So let's move from here quickly. Reach Kargil because we don't have working or anything and people are not waiting on the phone. So we are right now in front of Parkachi Glacier. It doesn't look like a glacier because it's all covered with mud and dust, so it's looks like black, but actually it's a glacier covered with mud and dust. So here it is. So this is the glacier. You can see that it's a fall kind of a glacier from top, ice fall kind, and the river is flowing. In some time we will be entering Suru Valley. Catch up you in the next stop. Okay, so good evening, and we have reached Kargil. We couldn't stay at Rangdum as we already have already told about it. That's because the whole village has gone for a marriage and there is nobody. So we've reached Kargil, and we are staying just nearby on the Leh Srinagar highway. So that's how it is, and it's a big resort. I'm just standing underneath the light, and yeah, in the morning I'll show you the resort. Lot of sunflowers, the sunflower like garden over here. So morning we'll go to Hundarman, the border area of India and Pakistan, and yeah, after that I'll show you the resort. So that's it from now at night. So have a good night. Thank you.